I want to show you around here a little bit. Table. This is like a laminate they've done that's just kind of coming up, so I think you just have to re-wrap it. These are all pull down windows, has all these cool accent lights. This can turn into that jackknife bed if you wanted. It's about 900 bucks. Full-size fridge. These are all remotes too that can come off, I believe. There's a couple of them that control all your stuff. These beds are 6 foot long, to be exact. They got all your TV hookups and everything. Lights. This is also going to be made into a closet. They can take and move this bed out, turn it into a closet or like a sitting area in there. So I have a mattress topper on here, if you see. So it sticks out quite a bit further. So without that topper, you'd obviously have a lot more room walking through here. We just like it, a little extra softness in there. This is, you could put a washer and dryer, one piece in there. TV up there also. Okay, this is with the slide in. So you're able to sit down here, be comfortable. The recliners won't come out though yet, but then here, you know, you're talking probably 2 feet clearance, so you can walk through here and get to the bathroom and all that as you need. Self-leveling jacks, and then all your kind of lights, front and rear ACs, your vents, your slide and awnings, all in one touch screen. It does have some solar panels down there that can be controlled. Really cool underlighting here. I think that's about it.